Hello everyone, today I'm going to be showing you a very easy and delicious raspberry ice cream recipe that is going to be very awesome, especially right now because it is super hot. So let's get started. To my bowl, I'm going to be adding in 2 cups of whipping cream. To my whipping cream, I'm going to add a teaspoon of vanilla essence. And then I'm going to whip my whipping cream until soft peaks. If your whipping cream is chilled, it's going to take a short while. And if it's not chilled, it's going to take a little bit longer to whip up the whipping cream. Also, another thing about this ice cream recipe is that no machines are needed. All you need is a mixer, or you can use a whisk and you're still going to get some awesome and delicious ice cream. I'm going to use a spatula and mix up my whipping cream just to make sure everything is coming along nicely. Once done whipping up my whipping cream, add in 1 cup of condensed milk. This is going to add some sweetness to our ice cream. Fold into the whipping cream. I've placed my raspberries in a small grinder, so I'm going to blend up my raspberries into a paste. Once done, I'm going to open up my small grinder, and as you can see, it's looking perfect. I'm going to add in my raspberry pastes. Fold in. Just look at that. Once done folding in my raspberry pastes, I'm going to pick up a small baking tin, and then I'm going to transfer to my baking tray. Level up my ice cream, and then I'm going to cover my tin with a cling film. Once done, I'm going to refrigerate my ice cream overnight. I still have some more. I'm going to transfer into another tin. So this is going to take a whole night. But if you're making during the day, you can refrigerate for at least 6 hours. My raspberry ice cream is ready and it's looking totally delicious. Although I didn't have so many raspberries, but it turned out amazing. So this is looking so good. So I hope you try out this amazing raspberry ice cream at home and enjoy.